Hey guys, so do you notice anything different? If not, I finally got my hair cut, so now I don't look so raggedy in a way. I cut all the dye off and then I got it cut down my shoulder, so it's like a military cut in a way. I got the size tapered, and yeah, I feel better. So, today I'm going to be talking about testosterone because I got my appointment for my first shot next month on the 16th of December, and I'm so psyched. And I just have a lot of emotions about it, mainly positive, which is great. But I also know that there are some negatives, and there are a little bit of doubts or like concerns, really. Mainly regarding like how my dad is gonna process this process in a way, and the whole logistics of like how I'm gonna be more socialized because once I'm on T, my voice is gonna drop. I might get some facial hair, my body heat will increase. I'll get more muscle mass, and yeah, and I'm just looking forward to seeing how my interaction will change a bit as the months go on. Because by the time I'm like 6 months on T, I probably will have to get my full ID changed, like the jawline and facial structure. My hair might be more thick. It might be curlier than usual. It might not. Who knows? But like it just feels so exciting. Like, oh my god, finally I got cut. So yeah, and I'm just really excited. Like, oh my goodness, like I cannot believe I'm actually starting T. I cannot believe my mom will be signing papers for me to consent to getting T. Like, oh my god, I'm so hyped. So yeah, just wanted to do that quick update about testosterone. And of course, I will be doing more. I will be doing updates as my nutrition goes on, as the changes happen around my T. Most likely 3 months of changes as time goes on. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. Like I said, I'll be recording on Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sunday. Most likely, I might just do a series of videos and just upload them as the week goes by. That way, I have to record a video once a day. So yeah. So yeah. Until next time, guys. Bye.